Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. As everyone knows, Father's Day is coming up. So for Father's Day, I went and Googled Father's Day invitations to get some ideas. And of course, the one that stood out to me was this one, as well as some barbecue ones. I thought that was a great idea. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine the barbecue also with the other one that I like, this one. I already made some chip bags for it. That one is one style, that's another style. As you can see, you can just change the colors up. It's not really that big of a deal. Okay, so I have all of my images here. You can get the images from Google, or if you're on my Patreon page, then I pretty much give them out to you. So one of the things that we have to figure out first, if you pay attention, well, if you look, some of the invitations are long ways while others are pretty much like up and down. Some of them are sideways. So we have to figure out if we want to do them, pretty much sideways or long ways or whatever. If you do them long ways, then you can fit, 4 of them on a page. If you do them pretty much like up and down, then of course you're only going to be able to fit 2 to a page. So me, myself, I like to try to fit as much as I can to a page. So let's see if I can fit 4 of these bad babies on a page. Nope, this is pushing it a little bit. Copy. Now let's see if we can. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright, now let's see. Alright, we can make it a little longer. Right there. Alright, that looks good. So the measurements that we are pretty much choosing to go with is 3.6. Well, let's just make it 3.5. 3.5 by 5. That's what we're going to go with. And I'm going to shape fill. I'm just going to go ahead and color. What do I want to do? I think I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in gray and then outline it in the red. And as you guys know, I'm going to zoom in. And as you guys know, I love my thick border, so I'm going to change the weight of the border down to 3, which will make it thicker. If you want, you can change it again. My son came in here and opened up my door. And as you see, it's like really thick and on there now. Okay, sorry about that. I had to shut the door, y'all. Okay, so let's look at this invitation again. All right, happy Father's Day. Then it had the information on the side. So let's go to insert, some letters. Wait, okay. We want this to be narrow, so let's change the font to narrow. Take off the bold. Change it to white. Add this over here. Turn it sideways. All right, happy. Let's add our bow over here. Bring forward. Inserts, more letters, and we're going to take the bold off. Go down to narrow. Fathers. Shape fill. Let's do that red color. All right, let's copy that. Paste it. Let's change the words to day. Okay, so we have that now. So Let's put this. Where do we want to put this stuff? Bring forward. We can put that right there. Bring forward. Let's see what there says. It says, let's celebrate Dad. All right. Let's do that by adding that in there. Let's make Dad all caps. And let's put that in white. Shrink this down. I'm not too sure if I'm really liking that. Let's change the font. Or maybe that's why it didn't look right, because the font was still thick. Okay, I can see it a lot better now. Alright, so let's celebrate Dad. Then, of course, you know, you want to put your information, the time, the date, and all of that. Another way that you can insert font, and it'll probably look a little better instead of going to insert and going to the word art, is you can draw a text box. And then, of course, just, you know, draw it out. And then, as you can see, it's a lot smaller, but you can, you know, adjust all of that. So let's say hours. What other information they have? Oh, when. Hours and when. So let's go here and change it to maybe 12. And let's change the font color to the red. Now let's just, nope, moving the wrong thing. Moving the wrong thing. Now, if you wanted to, you could also add in the hours in the little text box as well. I'm trying to click on it so that I can get that thing right in the middle. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's add in something, what, 2 to, I don't know, 2 to 6. Who knows? Okay, and then let's add in 1, 2, 3, key place. Okay, you right? Alright, key place. Let's go ahead and change the font to black. Let's make the time bigger too than the hours, and you know. Okay, so now this looks like it's off a little bit. Okay. So very simple, very easy. And you can pretty much customize. And Nehemiah, hold on, honey. You can pretty much customize this to fit any color that you are pretty much looking for. Now let's change that bow tie. Now to change the, you know, the color of an image, you just click on the image format and you want to go to recolor. Ooh, I don't like that gray color. Oh my Jesus. Everybody is busting up in here, y'all. So I'm gonna have to cut this short. But just know you can customize this anyway to pretty much fit what you're looking for. And then once you do that, all you want to do is click on control all of your images, and then you go to format. You want to group it to where now it's just, you know, one whole image. Copy, paste it, and there you go. And then keep pasting it.
Mom, our call is
Okay, honey. Okay, honey. I'll be out in a minute. And then till you get, you know, all 4 of your images on the paper, and that's pretty much what you want to do. So if you have any questions